To figure out if the price that they pay each time the students go is proportional, we need to first figure out what the constant of proportionality is. So we have number of students, and then we have a cost. So for 84 students, it was $1,260. In 2011, for 70 students, it was $1,050. For 2012, for 93 students, it was $1,395. So to figure this out, we just need to divide 1,260 divided by 84, and that equals 15. So that's what it was the first year. Let's see if it's the same thing the next year. 1,050 divided by 70. Hey, that equals 15 as well. Let's just check the last one. 1,395 divided by 93, and that equals 15. So it looks like your constant of proportionality is 15. So the answer is yes, it is proportional.